Come along with me to the Flagship Ray-Ban Store in New York City. Pump the brakes. This Ray-Ban Meta collection is what I came here for.
Turn it to a local Ray-Ban store near you.
Okay, yeah, you can do that too. Yes.
We do have only one, and I'm saying this because the app itself.
I'm a dancer, but I think it would be cool to have that first person perspective. Like, absolutely. I know it's just a minute, but still. Wait, it's this side, right? That's. No. Okay, so, here we go. And you can hear this, right?
It's slightly. It's tiny bit. Just because it's like a little. It's not as loud as usual in here.
Okay. This is so interesting. Okay. So as you can see, I walked away happy. I'm looking forward to sharing in the next video everything that these glasses do. Stay tuned.